In today's tech video, I'm going to guide you through the process of channel scanning on your
Onn Smart TV.
Whether you just purchased a new TV or need to rescan for channels due to changes in your area, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get the job done quickly and easily. So let's dive in. Step 1. Accessing the menu. First, grab your TV remote. To begin, you'll need to access a TV's menu. Look for a button labeled Menu or Settings on your remote control, then press it. Step 2. Selecting antenna or cable. Once you're in the TV menu, you'll need to locate Channel or Setup section. This might vary depending on your TV brand, but it's typically under the Settings category. Go ahead and select Channel Setup or something similar. Step 3. Choosing channel source. In this step, you'll need to choose your channel source. If you're using an antenna for free over-the-air channels, select Antenna or Air. If you have a cable or satellite TV, choose Cable or Satellite. Step 4. Initiating channel scan. Now that you've selected your channel source, find the option labeled Channel Scan, Auto Tuning, or Auto Program. Highlight it and press OK or Enter on your remote to start the channel scanning process. Step 5. Scanning progress. Your TV will now begin scanning for available channels. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. During the scan, your TV is searching for all available channels in your area and adding them to your channel lineup. Step 6. Viewing results. Once the scanning process is complete, your TV will display a list of found channels. You can now scroll through this list to see which channels are available. Keep in mind that some channels may be unavailable due to signal strength. Step 7. Saving channels. To save channels you want to watch, simply select Save or Add Channels for each one you wish to keep. Once you've saved your selections, exit the menu. A bonus tip would be to get a reliable TV antenna. I'll put a link in the description down below of one that's very reliable and offers a lot of different channels. You can then hook this antenna up to your TV to get local channels. Well, there you have it. You have successfully completed a channel scan on your TV. Remember that you can repeat this process anytime that you want to update your channel lineup, or if you encounter any issues with your channels. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.